Okay, just a quick FYI, this video is dedicated to radio waves only. This has nothing to do with Planet X or the South Pole. Okay, so here we go. I asked the world, if you will, in radio reference, because they cover the world, what frequency this storm, the storm hunters might be using. And I'm going to show you the reply here. My response is right here, which is right here. So anybody out there that has an HF radio, that's HF, not VHF or not UHF, the high frequencies, stuff like this. Here's frequencies to listen to. I'll tune in on one for you real quick.
A flash flood watch is in effect.
I'll try another one. One more. Alright, nothing there now. Like I said, anybody out there wants to listen to this storm, HF frequencies for storm reports, there they are. Which one they'll use, I don't know, but I will let you know when and if I hear from them.